trouble at all. Which one? Oh, yeah, very good. You've done a good job keeping it all. Oh, right. I'm actually flying out on Sunday. Yeah, we did have to report England for 10 days. What's that? No, not yet. I think I will. Well, I reckon on the newspaper this morning that all flight loads are going to have to get it out. I'm not flying.
Now this is a video I'm doing right now. This is at Whiteman Park in the Tractor Museum. If anyone wants to follow me on this, please go ahead. If you want to subscribe, you can follow. Please do not write any comments because it's a waste of time. So if you want to give the thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. This is at the Whiteman Park Tractor Museum. If you want to comment on it, no, don't comment on it. Just if you want to follow, please go ahead. You can follow. And this is part one, what I'm doing now. Because I can run the video only up to 12 minutes, so it doesn't take so long to go on, get downloaded on the YouTube channel. I'm only doing up to 12 minutes. So this is part one, what I'm doing right now.
Out there that wasn't for me, unfortunately. I guess you still good bit of shearing in that as well. Yeah, it didn't work out, but that was pretty hard on the back, and it wasn't going to be a forever job either. It is, yeah. Yeah, you definitely earn your money. Is there? Beautiful. You've got to go and get some lunch. Charlotte? Is she? Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, we'll go and have a look at that now, I think. Is that? Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah.
these are old cars, whatever, 1947 models. Yeah, I'll show you. There's the old truck, old farm truck, and that one is a farm truck too, what they use on the farm. There's another one. These are farm trucks, tractors. That's what they use on the farm, doing the crops, the animals, and all sorts of things. It stinks in here. This place a bit smelly because they smell oil and fluids and all that stuff you can smell. I don't want to look at that sign, it's boring. So that's the big one, with its bonnet up. Let's go down the side so you can just see it better. Oh, I'm going to stop this video and I'll do part 2 in the same spot. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or you can, subscribe. That means you can follow. It's up to you. If you want to follow, please go ahead. And I'll do part 2. See you later.